How to get Instagram on school Chromebook. In this video, I'm going to provide you specific instruction or processes for you to be able to get Instagram using your school Chromebook. Now, everybody knows that whether what you will have to do with the three dots at the top right of your school Chromebook browser, you will not be able to still access it because school Chromebook is very secure. So here's how you can bypass that. Now on your browser, just simply type in proxy because this is going to be the tool that we're going to be using. Of course, you're going to be seeing a lot of results here, specifically with IP, Fly Proxy, NordVPN, and whatsoever. You can definitely choose whatever that you have in mind or you prefer, but let's just go ahead and try from the proxysite.com right here. So what you will have to do here, whether what specific proxy you'll be using, is change the specific server first. So if you're currently under US server US64, change it into AU or Australia. Now onto the URL, you can just simply type in Instagram.com or you can add the HTTPS, the www dot or the full domain. Once you hit on enter, most of the time it will work. And that's it. That's how you get Instagram on school Chromebook.